So we have a ton of Siegmund accessories that you may not know about, including these corner connection blocks. We have these in System 28 in small and large. We also have it in System 16. Today we're going to be talking about the small System 28 corner connection block. We're going to go over a few key features about this accessory and also show you how to install it and how it's going to expand your work surface of your welding table. So a few features about this corner connection block is it's nitrided. So what that's going to protect you against is weld spatter, scratches, rust, as well as dings. This is going to help it to keep this look from the day you get it all the way to 20-30 years down the road. It's going to make it to look new and stay protected because it is a hardening process. Another thing is you're not going to have to level this out when you install it on the side of the table. Because Siegmund has aligned the bore holes on the accessory as well as the table, it's going to line up every single time and be flat with the top surface of the table. And of course, the biggest feature about this is going to help you extend your work surface in a way that you've never been able to, and that's off the corner of the table. So let's get this installed and show you how easy it is and how you can more than double your work surface. Before we get into it, we do have a small and a large. Today we're looking at the small, but the large, the biggest difference between these two is the large can be used as its own separate accessory on top of the table because they put holes on every single side, where this one's more utilized on the corner of the table. So if you have a stop and clamping square, then you're used to using them on top of the table or the sides of the table to extend your work surface. But this entire corner right here, this entire square, is not being utilized unless you build some weird fixture out of the accessories in this area. And that's where this corner connection block is going to come in handy. So if we grab it, you can notice the bolt holes in each side, the bore holes, that's going to line up with the bore holes on the table. Grab a short, fast clamping bolt. You can use 2 or 4 in this. We're just going to use 2 for demonstrating it. We can grab our stop and clamping square, use another bolt, slide it in, slide the second one in to line everything up. And now we have a flat, usable area in this corner that was normally not being utilized. Another thing is you don't have to bolt this dead center. You can offset it to the left or the right. So depending on what you're building and how it works for you, it's going to be, there's a ton of options on this block. If you have any questions or comments, or how would you use these in your shop if you had these for your Siegmund welding table, make sure to post those down below in the comments section. And also make sure to check them out on our website where you can find all 3 of these, the 2 System 28s, small and large, and our System 16 corner connection blocks. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on all social media platforms. Thank you guys for checking out this video. We'll see you on the next one, and keep on fabricating.
Quantum Machinery has you covered when it comes to premium metalworking equipment. From press brakes, shears, and ironworkers to welding tables and fixturing accessories, laser welders, roll benders, and cold saws. We also offer horizontal presses, ornamental machinery, rotary benders, custom tooling, and more. Explore the full lineup at quantummachinery.com.